Hi, my name is Adriana and I'm here today with a great recipe that I'm sure you will love. It is a brownie cheesecake, and what is nice is that half of the recipe is already done for you with BochaSweet, with the Keto Fudge Brownie mix for BochaSweet. This is gonna make your life easier. You just have to care of the frosting pretty much. This you already know how to make it, the instructions are in the back, but I'll just do it real quick for you. So let's get it on. If you already tried BochaSweet brownie mix, you know how easy it is. If you haven't, it's just in 3 steps. 1, the bacon mix, 2, the eggs, 3, the butter. That's it. So it's gonna be super easy to make. Just put everything together, 3 eggs and 3/4 of a cup of butter, whisk it, and to the oven. You can use any type of baking dish or cake dish. You can make it like a square, like a dessert type of thing. In this case, I'm gonna make a birthday cake, and this is gonna be awesome. They will love it, so I'll go with the round. So this is as simple as this. You just put it here, and I already preheat the oven to 325 degrees. So this is ready to go. I just have to put this here very nicely. This is ready to put in the oven. In the meantime, we have to wait 30 minutes. So in 30 minutes, I'm gonna work on frosting. So this is gonna be ready in less than an hour. We're gonna use cream cheese. If you have any allergy to dairy, like in my case, you can use a vegan or dairy-free version. It's still gonna be okay, and it's not gonna change the taste at all. Before you add the other ingredients, you want to beat the cream cheese until it gets that smooth consistency that you want in a cheesecake. Now let's just add the rest of the ingredients. BochaSweet, of course, half of a cup or a little bit more if you like it sweeter. And now 2 eggs, 2 large eggs, a 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream, and a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and also some sugar-free chocolate chips. You can make your own with BochaSweet, of course, if you prefer. The brownie is ready. The filling is ready. We're just gonna put it on top. I lowered the temperature in the oven to 300, and you're gonna put it there for around 15 minutes until it's not wiggly anymore. It's ready. You can see the layers. It looks really pretty. It smells great. And now you can just decorate it. I recommend putting it in 3 hours in the fridge to get a better consistency and the cold temperature you want in a cheesecake. And also you can put some strawberries and chocolate chips, anything you prefer to decorate it. After being in the fridge for around 3 hours, this cheesecake is ready to enjoy. Just visit our website to learn more and see what other products we have and other type of baking mixes. So this is for brownies, but not only brownies, you can make amazing recipes like this or any other thing that you can imagine you can make. Thanks for watching this video and see you next time.